All right, what's up, Casey? I'm literally Jordan here, and this sounds horrible. It's going through my mic. I need to go and find my thing, but let's share my screen first.
All right, let me change over audio things because Evan's got me all kinds of messed up right now. Let's see what we can do. I might have to drop down and come back up. Hold up.
Guys, we have the A team person, KC. We got the C team is Evan. Let me edit this.
Your Bluetooth device is now connected. All right, let me refresh this.
What is up, chat? Sorry for this. Honestly, it was this or no one. So no one hosting it. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to give you guys a horrible stream today, but I'm going to do it. There we go. Apply. Ooh, was that a U coming up and down? Okay, and there we go. There we go. All right, chat. Yo, Jordan sounding a little funny. Yeah, I know. You are not Ace. I am not Ace. I joined in and I was like, wow, Jordan's here, but it was me. Let's get the screen shared. Screen share. Robinhood Legend. Let's make this look a little bit better. Watch list. KC, if at any point you want to take over and do anything. And by the way, KC, this guy's here on Black Friday with us. No one else is. If you want to shout out Friday sale, feel free to.
Because I got big wick energy. You know that. There we go. Got that from our friend, Not Whale.
Ooh. Paper gains. Paper gains. I saw a camera on there for a second. He ticked it off. Good snap.
I mean, it's there. I have this I don't know. I haven't fixed this LED, the camera settings, really.
I'm actually on a monitor with a lot of different things.
Send me the YouTube link.
What exactly do you mean by that?
Like,
and if you want me to,
as in, like, if I wanted to post where I am.
There we go.
Gotcha. Okay.
Rivy's doing the thingy thing. Hell yeah, Rivian.
Googs at pre-market lows. We got a little gap to fill too.
Mother freaker. There we go.
Net flow is actually positive. Cumulative tick positive.
Holy Rivian. But look, I still got the rocket ship on the chart. Look at that. Straight to the gap fill and beyond. Just what a ripper.
Okay, now that I got myself live, I need to go find my mic. So, because this is going through my
Look at Microsoft, yeah. That one I have. Nice, dude. If I turn this off, can you still hear me?
Yeah, we still hear you.
Oh no, where's my, how come I don't have my avatar?
All right, do I need to, should I close this freaking thing? Are we at 100% yet, or what are we doing? Let's go check. Yeah, probably should close this thing.
All right, now I am back. But
We're coming up to $17 on Rivian.
they have their event coming up in December, though. People are excited for it.
Dude, this is a little crazy. This is getting a little brazy out here now.
How does my mic sound? Better or worse?
A little bit better. Somebody has a little bit of background, but it's not too loud.
Yeah,
Give me mine.
TV, but not much. It really isn't bad.
No, it's just like it sounds like TV or news.
That's mine.
Okay. Serve moving. It's trying. Yeah, it's
And Rivian does look like a pretty crazy chart.
dude.
What's that?
Dude, look, the daily just
Ooh,
right after this long bottom wick and this reclaim right there. I was like, I'm full port sending it, and here we are, just straight monster. What a monster. SPY just rejected previous day high in this lower high trend line from pre-market again. Still, yeah, we got small little gap just from overnight sessions still to fill, like right there, which is going to line up with that little.
SPY, okay. I mean, that doesn't look so pretty. What time frame is this? Is it daily? Oh, paper. What's that logo that you got there?
Let's see if that was gonna work. No, it's not really working.
Your strongest sector right now, which it wasn't the case earlier, but now it absolutely is the case, is energy, XLE. So as of right now, the one things most long in for new positions are looking good. Everything else green except for healthcare being the weakest one. Here's your overall heat map. You have LLY pulling back, J&J pulling back, ISRG, GILD within the healthcare. You have Tesla up 0.6%, Walmart 0.6%, Amazon strong over 1%, Microsoft Meta also a little bit strong over 1%, MU up 2.65, NVIDIA down 1.25. So
What's Google doing again?
Google is almost flat, 0.10% up.
She's been a very popular one over the last little bit.
Yeah, Google has been looking good, aging like fine wine. Just
You saw Kathy Wood bought a bunch?
recently?
Yeah, like 2 days ago.
Jesus Christ, she's a little late. Well, I mean, for me, it was right there, right there. Just underneath 150. Boom. 100% on
Whoa,
equity.
I mean, that is quite the crazy chart.
Right there. Beautiful. That's the April dip. That's where I started buying a lot of things. That's where I bought NVIDIA.
Dude, Microsoft is just on a ripper right now. think it's just going straight vertical.
Ooh, what
Holy
chart did I just have that on? Oh, yeah, that
schmoly.
looks. Look at that. Look at that. Straight from here. Already have that marked and looking to go straight to there. It's almost there, actually.
Googs below the gap or on the gap right now. Up a little bear flaggy.
Someone
down
said,
ski.
why is Oracle so useless?
Dude, it's just an old
It did
company,
have quite
man.
the ripper.
I honestly was never really big into Oracle.
It's, yeah. I mean, Oracle just, I don't know. I wouldn't really focus too much on it.
DMNR new high.
Boom, boom.
Small little gap to fill still on Oracle. It did bounce right in and get the retest of the 9. It's just back to 200. Where it sits right now, I don't think there's anything worth talking about on Oracle right now. Let's go look at Evan's favorite thing right here. You got, oh, that's my friends, is what we call a morning star reversal.
IDEB's kind of weak.
Right at the lows. After that, you want to see a continuation move a little bit higher. So it's actually coming up to previous week highs right now from Monday, November 17th, which is at 34.37. So it is almost there. Drop down to the intraday chart. It should mark that for us on the Lux Algo indicator right there.
Lux Algo doing a 70% Black Friday sale, by the way, if you haven't seen their Twitter account.
Ooh. Very nice.
Doesn't look so bad on this time frame. I like this time frame.
Let's see. There's a little bit of flow that just came in on INTC. Let's go look what Intel's doing here. Ooh. Intel. Okay. Some flow came in about 15 minutes ago. Sorry for the delay on the flow. We were waiting on Evan to get the stream up, but
can I just say, KC coming in here doing like hosting this whole thing, what a beast. So you can say anything mean to me right now.
Meta 640s.
At 9:36, about 6 minutes after the open, you had about $600,000 worth of 38.5 calls come in for December 5th. Unusual flow. Someone bought about 7,000 contracts at 84 cents. Those bad boys are now trading at over 130. So after that position right there, they are up well over about 50% since that flow alert came in. INTC is having a really, really good morning here. Beautiful. Opened up right at previous day high. Perfectly. Boom.
Ooh, Rivian up 5%.
Oh, yeah, I'm up 75% right now. Oh, over 17. Yeah. Oh, you just closed Rivian for 100%? Let's go. Nice. I'm probably going to do the same here on the last one, the small account. Contracts are at 220.
Googs new low 319.
How far can it go?
Indices at super chop. Mita getting more love. Let's see if she holds. It's a big spike. She be like that sometimes.
Meta new high, Google new low.
Nvidia kind of flagging at the lows.
Let's go put them next to each other real quick. Let's see what we got going on. Yeah, look at that. Just inverse each other.
Yeah, Microsoft ripping too. I think it's like who's on Black Friday sale when? Like Microsoft was on sale, Meta was on sale, Apple was not, Google was not. So it's like
if you're not on sale, your stock's going down.
Right? Yeah, like zero sum game at the Mag 7 level for sure. It's just like rotation kind of thing.
XOM new high. Contracts not moving the best. They're still around the same price. They're actually getting a little bit spready right here. But they're still popping up. Where's Oxy? Above previous day high. It's going for it right now. Beautiful ripper on XOM. If you joined it for a new trade from my swing, that was down a little bit at the open. We are now green. Google 315 puts November 28th coming in. SPY, choppy.
Check silver is what Peter Millen says new all-time highs. I did see that. And then Shane
SLV.
Live says bull breaking a big downtrend. Weeble not doing so bad. Interesting.
BULL. Yeah, I mean, this is just the, go to the weekly. I mean, it doesn't look so hot. I mean, it's trying now to get some kind of bullish reversal pattern off this low, but yeah, not looking too hot. Yeah, daddy, yeah. Let's go look at that Google. So those 315s that came in again were for November 28th. They started coming in at 3 cents and 38 cents. Then they came in again at 70. They were already up. Then 90, already up 100%. Coming back down near previous day low area right now on the Googs.
Googs. Googs, makes sense with how it's been moving. Little pullback, never hurt anybody.
Yeah, I mean, this daily chart's insane. Jesus Christ. Is that Evan or Paper?
Paper. It was not me.
I see him all the time.
Let's see what else is looking interesting today.
That gap right there as well.
Watch list. The best performing stock on my main watch list is CleanSpark, then BMNR, then FGNX, then Intel, then Rivian. The worst performer on here is Eli Lilly and Oracle, actually.
Yeah. Okay, Mara.
What's Intel? You think you meant INTC?
Yeah, INTC.
What's AMD doing? I see that comment.
Let's go check. Nothing too crazy. It's in a 4-hour squeeze. Nice little double bottom here on AMD on the 4-hour chart. They got a little W pattern going on right now, and it's right near that high. So squeeze as of right now did fire upside. It already fired, and now we're right back up to this spot right here. Daily, I mean, everyone's watching that huge gap that's right there. Yeah. Let's see. Bounce right off of that nicely. I mean, back testing a big area of resistance right now. So this is going to be the white line, that's your daily 50. EMA, the blue is your daily 9. They're both lining up right here near this 217 area. So it is back testing a spot of potential resistance. Looking for continuation.
What's the volume look like so far? Like I would imagine today's like a decent day to like just not trade, but.
Oh yeah, total. Normally you just don't. You just kind of like check in today and see.
SPY's volume right now is 6.5 million, and then Q's is 5.35 million. So, oh shit, where'd the stream go? There we go.
Nvidia coming towards the lows.
All right. If you missed the trim earlier on XOM, you can get that trim right up here. It's looking good. We are over 116. Still looking for a low continuation higher to 116.50. INCC ripping this morning. Yup. 38.5 call. Hello.
IDub's doing a lot better than the rest,
36.
as it has been.
Q's coming down a tad.
Oh, IWM diamonds, more breath widening.
You got a trim on XOM at 205. Nice job. UPS. Yeah. UPS. Let's go brown boxes.
Casey, do you know what Unusual Flow is doing for Black Friday?
I can check. Let me go see.
I saw a 7-day free trial, but I feel like that's always there, right?
Yeah. I think they've always had the free trial. Let me see.
Tesla moved to pre-market low. Shout out ProFast guys using the emojis. Gamma extremely high in today's markets. By the way, Degenerate Nancy, we're probably not going to be playing GeoGuessr today, but I've been using this Excel product, AI product called Gamma. It's actually pretty cool. We don't work with them, but the time to take a presentation is like 1/100th of the time.
I don't see anything for a sale for them right now. Do you?
No, I didn't, but I didn't even know.
Yeah, I do not see one. Tell me to get on the ball. Let's get some Black Friday sales going.
BMNR coming in on 35 here.
They're down. BMNR moves quick.
Tell me this UPS just doesn't want to just go.
It doesn't want to just go.
I don't know. I think it wants to go.
Nah.
Just all the way to 155. Just
Nah.
if you put multiple rockets on the chart, it should help with the technical analysis to play out. There we go.
Possible.
There we go. This is what we want to see. Mita. Oh my goodness, Mita. Yes. What a nice, beautiful move on Zamita. That couldn't have been more perfect. But now it's coming up to resistance.
Now I'm being told maybe they don't always have a free trial.
Mine says 7-day free trial on the home site when I just went and checked.
But do they normally have that? They might actually. That might be new.
It could very well be new, but they do have it. So get yourself a 7-day free trial to Unusual Flow. Someone said
NQ and MQ kind of spready, impossible to play for futures. That makes sense. Futures was down all morning, plus it's Thanksgiving, volume's low. What's this?
Circles flying. CRCL. Whoa, daddy. All right. I mean, it did just hit IPO low. So, I mean, it's got to do something, right? I mean, it literally just went to IPO low. Got to do something. It looks good for a little bit more continuation back up closer to about, $82. It's about to come up to $80 site level right now. So, right there. So looking good for the move from reclaiming here. Nice double bottom and higher low, and then take it from here to there. So it's almost there. So looking spicy. Could have hit these lower highs right there, and then nice break upside. So it's almost there right now. I don't think it's a new enter long. I think it's just if you're already long, you're getting a nice continuation. Amazon not doing nothing. Serve new highs. I don't think those calls are probably moving because it needs a really big move. Try and. Although they are green.
What is that uptrend? Okay, that's like a uptrend line. I see it. Okay.
Oh, this right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's something that BK likes to use. I think Paper likes to draw those things as well.
Let me see if I can send this to BK.
Like megaphones.
Good morning for Vegas. Is what Trucker Tom says.
Good morning from Vegas. Holy schmoly. What the hell are they doing? There's some fucking retards out there doing this shit. I feel like I feel like there's some shenanigans going on in MSTR. I just saw like some disgusting stupidness happen.
Yeah, they claim that. I don't know what's
I
actually
do
true.
not $0 bid contracts flying.
Coin looking decent. I think Evan mentioned this earlier. CLSK Clean Spark, absolutely gorgeous. That is a beautiful right there. Like this couldn't have been more perfect of a back test to go long right there. I mean, that was the freaking spot for it. Look at this bad boy from $10 to 15. Just like that. Just like that. Insane in the membrane. I'm gonna say Casey, thoughts on OKLO. So I had a little head and shoulders here, played out to the downside, lower lows, lower highs. So I can clear all this up now that that's done, played out now.
There you go, MSTR 200 call for next week.
It did just hit the monthly 9, bounce a little bit. Scott said he's up 132% in Clean Spark, CLSK. Very nice. For OKLO, I'll feel better once it starts to push up closer to 96, and then once it breaks above 96, watching the $100 psych level, that's where I'll start to get a little bit more interested. Just because after the top that's up here, you are making a lower low, lower high kind of thing going on right here. So you could see a little bounce come up to here, closer to that 96 up to 100, and then that would kind of be more of the test. It's either lower low or it's finally break, that trend and start to push up back higher, shooting for, closer to 120. So just watch that 100. I think that'll be about right here. That'll be more of a spot to watch.
Emp put in the chat, Paper would show up to the show. He's not around. Today he's not around. It's an aura, Emp. You're lacking it. KC and me got it.
I'm here.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, I just threw an MSTR 190 call just for day trade. Let's do that.
I love that thing.
We're going full port MSTR calls. Dang, let's go.
No, I had one I was looking at anyways for the swing, but I went shorter dated than that. Then I was like, you know what? I could probably just day trade this with the Momo right now.
What about the coin?
Not
No.
saying. I mean, I'm already in BMNRs and I just added MSTR. I don't need any more.
Coin, nice
that's just
gap
my
up on the
personal-
daily.
Yeah, BMNR is up 10%. Let's go.
Yeah, I just don't need any more exposure.
I'm only down 26% now. I definitely don't need more
You didn't
exposure.
add?
Very little, honestly.
Coin could. It's but it's got. I mean, it's gonna get sucked up in that 220 days SMAs like that are right above it, probably. Maybe day trade. I'm just like it's Black Friday. This is like kind of a dangerous day to day trade.
Yeah, low volume day for sure.
Ooh, we're popping. Well, just SPY. Qs is not. IWM is not. They're still stalling, but SPY's going. Coin, Poppy, Tesla, Droppy. Can you check out?
I'm just sitting on BM. I am going to post a BMNR screenshot for up 10%. There's like no news today. Why would there be?
I mean, holy bejeebus, this thing's in a squeeze.
Oh, that looks like a consolidation.
Yeah, this thing's in a squeeze on the daily, the weekly, the monthly. You can even just draw this thing. Your weekly squeeze right now underneath EMAs would have to kind of reclaim back above this midpoint area up there. Daily's trying to curl up on it. SPY with the long wick right to that order block, 682.
Okay, I got to the bottom of it. They do not normally have a free trial. We just have a special link. And then I think now it's doing a 14-day free trial or something like that. But Unusual Flow is doing a Black Friday deal. It's actually a good one. Okay. BMNR, get me 10. And we don't look left. Till it suits us. Silver new all-time high. I know you were talking about that before, for real. Walmart new all-time highs.
No shit.
The EMP not being here.
110. Let's go. Let's freaking go. That's hilarious. We fucking did it, guys.
We did it. We did it. We did it.
Wally motherfucking world.
Oh, BMNR 10. I look away and I hear a notification. I feel it.
Feels it.
Mama, we made it.
Uh-oh. Hold on. That's big sell on BMNR.
Oh, right as I get my screenshot, should I not post it?
Yeah.
The classic.
See if they buy it up.
Spies flying.
Oh, they bought it. You're good.
Nvidia just back tested previous day low and
Dude, Nvidia
rejected.
does not look good.
No, I wish I would have taken puts right there for a little fun lotto day trade, but just like next week 170s for fun.
BMNR like holds 180. Oh, there it is. 185. Boom. Throw it on your screen. Or not BMNR, MSTR.
And Bright's in the chat, don't make me short this. New too as well. I do see new on there. New core too.
Oh, the steel stock?
TNT. Yeah, NUE did hit new 52 highs today.
That is a different company.
Here. Oh, MSTR. But paper, NU and NUE both hit new 52-week highs. No bank.
What's Apple doing? Ugh. Yucky.
Yep.
Oh, is it? Oh, puts on Apple?
Not for long.
I have puts
Nice.
on Apple.
Just for a little. Let's go pull it up real quick.
Just 275s. They're like a quarter.
Looking at 275s for next week.
Damn, something keeps ticking up here in the portfolio. BMNR. All right. On the downside, it was bad. On the upside, it's not a bad day today. Single stock port is up 1.8%. ETF port up 0.4.
Okay, that little MSTR day trade is about to be a double.
Nice.
I feel like a lot of people saw this or were watching this.
Oh, Jesus.
Ooh. What's up, BK?
Good morning. How y'all doing?
How are you
What
doing,
up,
sir?
Morning.
y'all? I'm about to take these Nvidia puts. Things
Same
looking
day?
dumpy. No. December 5th.
Okay, I was a little worried because I mean we got what 2.5 hours left.
The market's almost closed.
I like danger in my life.
SPY not liking that
Intel expected to
pre-market
begin
high.
shipping Apple's level Intel headline. Ming Chi Kuo, is it moving? Stock is maybe beginning. Intel expected to begin shipping Apple's entry-level M processor as early as 2027.
Grab those poots. Watch the Apple ones as well.
Yeah, Nvidia coming on the lows.
Apple 275s for next week as well.
I may roll mine. Mm-mm.
Oh.
And Bright's in the chat, flush it. Classic.
Oh, Imp is short.
You really can play around with the sound, get people interesting. Which Nvidia puts is what not good at stock says. A little retrace, not bad though.
That's actually a pretty big headline. Intel getting back some Apple business.
Yeah,
If you think about it,
that's it
'cause, I
too.
mean they lost that in like what 2019 when they switched to the M series.
And it's been a big selling point for Apple is how good their chips are compared to how they used to be. T7 Live says, there we go. Tesla pre-market low incoming. Coming in.
That's slow. Yeah, giving it back a little bit.
Jesse got Phil. It's on the 20 though.
Equal lows on Nvidia. See if it can crack that.
Yeah. I'm good at stocks says looking at the 12.5 170 puts. That's what he said he was looking at. Nvidia bear flag about to break down is what T7 Live says. Yeah.
Another interesting thing about today, it is the last trading day of the month. So you're
That it
seeing
is.
possibly end of month flows in certain equities institutions want exposure to.
God, INTC $40 calls came in for 12.12. About 38.5 for 12.5. Now you're seeing 40 calls for 12.12. Got Reddit calls that just came in too. 220 call for April 17, 2026. Sizable sweep, 1.16 million. Someone bought 300 contracts at the ask for 38.6.
That ask.
They slapped that ass. Our DDT is moving. I'll put it up over on this one real quick. Moving on up a little bit.
BK, I saw you tweeting about the we also got the Lux Algo sale going on right now.
It is. It's the biggest sale of the year.
70%? Jeez.
Yep. You can make that in a couple trades, honestly. I'm excited. I'm still trying to pull the trigger on just hooking it up to a prop firm account and seeing how it does. One of the automated strategies.
Use code Wolf. Sorry, it's just an instinct to force a habit. No, yeah, that'd be cool. We should we can honestly play around with that on here. Maybe we talk with guys and we get a little like short series they're going or something. We're trying to do more content there. That'd be fun. And honestly, they can go kind of viral.
No worries. Sounds good.
Yeah, Lux Algo 70% sale. I saw you guys tweeting about it. You guys should go to their page profile. You guys see KC using it a bunch. Everyone doing it a bunch.
You may notice the package that doesn't include the backtesting AI and everything is a penny less than the one that does. So whatever you do, just definitely get the big one because we want everyone to be able to try that at least.
Game.
We'll check. I mean, it's a free trial anyway, right? Like, no 30-day money back guarantee. That's what it is. Okay.
Yeah. It's not a free trial, but in your 30 days, you can undo it if you don't love it. Honestly, though, if you were actually exploring like all the features and getting into backtesting and automating strategies with it, that took me a lot longer than 30 days to be learning. And now with
Eric,
all this new stuff,
we're talking about Lux Algo. Let me put this in the chat. If you guys ever see BK on the show, there we go. Or the indicators and stuff. Honestly, you want the full? I don't trade, but I know Jordan and KC and all of them. You guys
Evan.
talk about the indicators a bunch. I lose money. I don't know if that's actually trading.
That's just BMNR. You don't need 100% win rate to be a trader. That's okay.
Yeah, my strategy is follow the good people, which isn't one that I recommend. So I don't put much money behind it, honestly. But I've had some W's behind the people on this live stream here. I got one or two good ones from KC. I got a couple good ones from Paper as well. This is a good test. I will need to pay capital gains tax here based on this year based on my trading.
Just realize a little bit of BMNR losses and to even it out.
And it balances out, yeah. My big winner of the year was a Marvell call. This was a Paper.
MRVL.
And June 26th. Second biggest win of the year was a BMNR call.
Hell yeah.
Biggest loss of the year was an Amazon 200 call from April 17th. Need more time.
Q's still flat. IWM slow grind higher. SPY just had a nice back test. And push. Nothing else coming in on the flow. I imagine you're not going to see much.
Meta new high a day. I do think both Meta and Intel are those getting affected by end of month flows.
Definitely Intel, yeah.
Meta is up 8.3% this week total.
Meta. Reddit, another new high.
Well, Microsoft too. Hoodie, 130 incoming. Jiminy.
Google just hit the zone.
AutoZone?
Get in
Nah.
the zone.
It tried to break
AutoZone.
lower than this yesterday and just kept getting like there weren't enough sellers to push it lower like the last couple of days, like right here. So this is kind of like the spot. Third shot to try and break.
Pro Fast Guy said, Hood, let's go.
Data dog back up to 160.
Ooh, what's happening to Hood here? It's a nice little move. I guess it's actually... Sometimes I need to refresh my page.
Did you finish that one off, Casey?
DDOG to the downside?
Yeah.
Yeah, they went like just over $1,000 per contract gain,
disgusting.
and I got out. Yeah, that was a fun one.
I've getting some volume.
I've only ever traded calls on it. That was the first time I've actually ever traded puts.
They're faster, huh?
Yeah, it was fun. But yep, right there at the highs, and then caught the gap fill straight down right here. That was a fun one. Reddit's still going.
I wonder if Reddit's just gonna squeeze all day. It's been in an active squeeze.
Ow. Disney's not looking so bad. AMD 215 kind of feels interesting. PayPal 62. PayPal just hasn't done anything. PayPal kind of sucks.
PayPal's been getting it's freaking.
Pretty much everything is green though.
PayPal
Google's
does
red.
suck.
No. PayPal sucks. I'm almost at that point. What does chat think of PayPal? PooPal? PayPal? T7 Live says let's flush it.
I mean,
Emp
down
has
here.
Emp has the chat trained. Trash pal is what Emp says. It is pretty bad.
PayPal.
The poop. PayPal is my biggest holding long-term. Dole Cameron says. I am sorry.
Oh Jesus, I'm sorry for your loss. There's a lot of other names I'd rather hold long term.
I'm in a
than
little bit
PayPal.
TPH to play a little long-term on PayPal T7. PayPal was trash once Elon left, is what the Czar Trader says. Em sent me a picture too. There's a lot of balloons. His son's birthday. That is fair enough.
Oxy is ripping.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Do we want to share his name? Happy birthday to little Emp.
Emp Mini. That's like an E-Mini. Emp Mini.
Raj says, look at Tesla breaking to the downside. The 251 people in here. GG.
Is Tesla breaking to the downside?
Not on my chart.
You have an inside. We've been inside that
Yeah.
opening candle all day. Like, that's not a break.
We got Roop saying MSTR dying. Happy birthday to the GOAT Juniors, what King Faces says. Maybe he did waiting for the downside is what he retorted with after. You guys said Tesla downside. You guys should give the stream a like. I think we're only at 28 likes. Maybe I just need to refresh this.
I don't think
29.
likes refresh automatically.
They do not. 29 likes, 254 people. I feel like we should at least be at 50 likes. Helps with the algo. We appreciate you. One of those free ways to support. If you guys are also not subscribed to the channel, you are missing out. Does Mini Me have a beard too? Is what Pro Fast Guy wants to know. He does not. I did see a picture. Not yet. Not yet. There we go. Raj giving a like. $46 likes, not bad. It's been a pretty smooth. I mean, Casey has come in here and done a masterclass. My charts would have been horrible, but yeah, it's going well. Energy Select Sector Spider Fund. What ETF is that? XLE?
XLE, yeah,
Nice.
The strongest sector right now. Looking good.
Hasn't been that much though recently.
Nah. So
Shout out Shanghai Birding in the X chat saying love all you guys do. I'm curious what Shanghai Birding. You told me that was a like 200,000 follower account. I wouldn't be surprised. 862.
I wouldn't be surprised if that was a stock.
Got some owls.
APLD looking good.
QQQ is going to rally at this point, is what Kike Graph 4790 says. Maybe said that wrong. I don't know. Sorry.
If it's Japanese, it'd be Kaiki.
Kaiki Graph. That is definitely what it is. You're right. I see the I after now.
Q's, I mean, compared to SPY, I mean, Q's looks worse this morning. It is very, very slow, very choppy. Versus SPY, price action a little bit more constructive so far for trying to break this trend line here from the pre-market highs. Got the move up, hit the equal, came back down, retested, bounced back up, just hit the equal again. I mean, there's opportunities for quick scalps on futures. I think for SPY and ES, Q's chart not even close. This thing's in a squeeze on the 5-minute here. I think it says also on the 15. But hasn't done anything yet.
Oh, Tom just retweeted my post about Black Friday.
I like how active Tom Lee is on Twitter.
Me too. And honestly, it's him. At least the Tom Lee account is him. You can tell.
Yeah. Though I do wish when he quote tweeted me that he did follow. I feel a little snubbed there.
Heat map looks disgusting.
Jeez, they're really going hard.
Oxy is flying still. I knew I should have added that one with XOM.
Well, NVIDIA held or below on those bottom wicks. And you can see if it does close over the 21 here.
Damn, yeah, like, all right, nice. It is nice not having my phone like caught up in everything. Casey, you buying anything today? As in Black Friday, not in the stock market, like life things, accessories? I saw the kids. Can I give you honestly one other thought? Two thoughts actually.
Sure.
I would share a little less on the internet than certain things, especially like one or two certain photos, like less of the like maybe the kids, but like more like the front, whatever. Second, you like to buy you like some cool stuff. There's some cool purchases there. I feel like Casey
Oh
would have a
yeah.
cool Black Friday purchase or two.
Yeah, we had quite a few things in the Amazon cart, I'm sure, that are on Black
I'm
Friday.
sure he's gonna find out. He's gonna find out hard as well.
I'll find out later all the stuff that's in there. So
Em just said I'm swinging short too, but it seems too obvious. Shanghai birding not
I
bomb.
mean, we're less than 100 SPOOS points from all-time highs.
I know.
Shanghai birding is birdwatch tours in China, by the way. Interesting. It's a whole website. Cool. They sent it in there. Is there a demo class for Lux Algo is what Raj says. Also, what trading platform can you do it on?
So the previous stuff is on TradingView. However, all our update stuff is on luxalgo.com/chat, where you can send alerts on technical strategies and even webhooks right from that platform. So it's both TradingView and the new stuff is native. Yeah. I grabbed my TradingView yearly plan Black Friday, as I do always and got that set up so I can have all my integrations and stuff going. So I think
Yes.
for back testers and webhooks, you do want premium TradingView typically.
You know,
But we
it
do
is a
have
real.
sorry.
Go for it. Go for
Go
it.
ahead, Evan.
No, go for it.
Okay, I was gonna say as far as the classes and stuff, we have mods that run like Q&A sessions and stuff throughout each week, as well as lots of recorded videos. Like we had one exploring talking about all the new features. I'll drop that YouTube link in the comments from our community session this week, because a lot of these new features are from this week. Our big AI and back testing push for automation. So very excited there.
Got some people calling out M for always being short. It's been good over the last couple days.
Leave his height out of this.
Yeah. We're almost at 269 live viewers on YouTube. Kappa. Ooh. I just got a preview of what could be a new profile picture on X. I wonder how I could show it.
You could change your picture here to it, and we could see how it looks and judge it.
Evan should just turn his camera on right now.
So that would just. Why would I do it if? Yeah, no. Two of my three largest positions making all-time highs, though, is what I'm saying is long-term report. I'm not saying I'll never do it. It just won't be on a random live stream on a Friday when no one's here.
You know, it's going to get screenshot, and people are going to post it on X too.
Yeah.
This is the let's get this. Oop. Sorry. I messed up. What do you think?
Ooh, I like it, Evan.
That's got some aura going.
I'm a little I'm always resistant to change to stuff, but I think this does look good.
Where's the news in there?
All the market news you need. Do you think I should put something like stock market news on this, or does this look clean itself? I was
I wonder
surprised to
if
see
you can
Stock Talk 2
integrate
just come on.
news.
I think we'll do more stuff on the actual thing itself.
Yeah, like maybe it's in the background, like news. Maybe it's a black newspaper icon between them. I don't know, but I wonder how you tie. I think it could use a tie-in to the news.
I like the thoughts. Interesting.
Also, there your
Huge try-in.
background image had news with an S. You may want to change that before you change it.
All the market news you need, maybe make it Z. Yeah, no, actually kind of. I don't know.
Well, unless you get the handle with an S.
I did put in a request for a different handle. We'll see if we get it. It was a good one. We'll see. Let me. Oh yeah, I was gonna send this to. Send this over to Stock Talk.
Q's hitting pre-market high. Finally.
You did have NVIDIA test VWAP from below. It's just under previous day low as well.
Bro, I'm about to get signed out of the YouTube. This thing is so annoying. Ugh, okay. Okay, nice. 61 likes. GG. Amazon breaking out? Question mark is what ProFast guy says. I'm waiting for the Bezos sale order.
Just trying to curl up right here. Amazon's just above previous day high. Oxy and XOM are pushing up.
You know what's funny? The Wolf Crypto Bull portfolio on autopilot is now on there for more than a year. It's up 43.3%, the best performing portfolio on there. The Pelosi one is up 38.1.
Ooh.
No.
God, came in and is beating Miss Pelosi here. Just saying, just saying.
ProFast guy says, "Where's background music?" That's how you get banned on YouTube.
No. You can do that through Restream. Emp does it though. Let's see, where is that in here?
Well, it's the copyrighted music. If you would get banned.
Do you know where it is?
Yeah.
In here? Oh, music. What do we want? What do we want? Chill, down tempo, lounge, lo-fi, minimal house, future pop.
I could see some lo-fi beats to chart and trade to.
Some smooth jazz. Okay, super. Yes. Hip hop or chill are the best. Wait, let's do hip hop.
What kind of music is Evan putting on right?
Mhm.
Thoughts on Lulu? I mean, it's ripping intraday. Weekly is looking good for a bounce. It's coming up to previous month high. Here, I can put it over here. See, previous month high is like right here. So it's had a nice bounce off the lows. I think it was a decent long spot risk to reward down here. You're already getting the pop and continuation right there. So looking good.
Okay. Ooh, Lux coming in the chat. You guys should subscribe to the Lux Algo YouTube channel. I got a call for a couple minutes.
XOM and Oxy are still ripping. They're both looking really good. Sent that chart on both of them on X on Wednesday for the swing. They're looking good. Nice job. What is that, 25% XOM? Nice. Yeah, see if those 117s getting the money. Nice work.
If you're curious about the automation features and stuff, in the comments or the chat, I did drop the link to that video. So check that out later. Add it to your watch list on YouTube. Hit it over the weekend. How did Intel still have that strength?
Yeah, Yeah, it's a good trim spot here. Premiums are still around. They're still above. They're getting a little spready on these candles. Yeah, they're still at like 202. The spread's getting wide. They're like $10 to $15 wide on these candles that are a little explosive, but it's looking good. And here we are.
Meta 650 is just under 1% away. Wow. Pretty impressive week for Meta.
All right, here goes Amazon trying to get that push. 5-minute squeeze upside. Microsoft new highs. Google still chilling near the lows. Apple sitting in this box of consolidation down here, just burning premiums. Nvidia kind of doing the same.
That's typically what I expect on a Black Friday short day.
Oh yeah, yeah. Today's just gonna be slow, low volume, choppy, small continuations here and there, but nothing significant, most likely. Tesla trying 15-minute squeeze, curling up. God, INTC is going for 40. Absolutely insane.
I think that may be ready to heat back up again.
That's crazy move.
It's been down since it peaked exactly.
Got some call flow coming in on BE. 140 calls for January 2026. Yeah, health is definitely the weakest. So quiet. Too quiet.
All right, I am back.
Thought it was just me.
Yeah, sorry. Listen, tough call, needed to happen. I think went as well as I was going to be able to do it.
Where did Knots go?
Not said he had PT.
Oh, that's right. That's
He
right.
left real early. He said he was not going to come on. Honestly, I respect it. Once I heard that we were going to go there, I was like, all right, we're getting this up. I'm a competitive guy. Emp says 446 NQ equals golden retrace. I'm sorry if you read that out. Max Trade says Twilio still pressing higher after rebalancing that earnings gap. TWLO.
Okay, my internet went out for a second, but I'm back.
I don't think you said internet correctly there. We still have
Ethernet.
Oh.
Ethernet.
Dude, Meta almost 645.
Sorry. Casey, do you have a playbook for next week if you were swing spy or QQQ long or short? That's just such a hard question.
Not yet. The end of the week, end of the month has to finish out. I have to see where the market and everything is come Sunday night. When I do my Sunday night live stream, I will have looked at things then to develop my thesis going
Casey,
into the next
here's what I
week.
need you to do. Get your YouTube up separately and say hello in this chat so everyone can go subscribe to you. We didn't know this was going to happen, but this is a guest stream Wolf Trading Friday, hosted by KC. You guys got to go subscribe to this man. He's doing that Sunday stream. It's awesome. Let's get this guy
Appreciate
monetized on YouTube. How many watch hours are he at? It's tough.
Let me go see.
It's a tough grind at the start, I know. But say hello in the chat first so they can go in and subscribe to you.
Let me go give the stream a like. Go put some hearts. What's up, chat? All right. Should be in there.
There we go. We see it. What's up, chat? That is Casey's. He's been co-hosting, basically leading this stream. We appreciate you for being here. Damn, you know all the emotes and emojis to do for this thing.
Only because of Emp. Emp taught me.
But yeah, go subscribe to his channel. We appreciate him.
Appreciate you
Breakout
guys.
is with Drill, Dr. Real.
Let's go see Tesla. Coming up to this morning highs. Still in that 15-minute squeeze. It did fire upside that previous candle, so looking good. Nothing on the flow, nothing significant. Would the mastermind class for tomorrow be recorded? Yes, it will.
Ooh, a mastermind. I
Yes,
subscribe to Lux Algo too. Yeah, guys, there we go. BK saying hello in the chat. What type of content do you guys put out? Go to channel. 659,000 subscribers. All right. Dunks on all of us.
Go. Yeah.
Guys, don't go subscribe to them. Subscribe to us if you guys are here from the Lux Algo channel. No, I'm kidding. Go subscribe to them. 15.
Yeah. Get Evan's numbers up. Come on.
Don't you know? Pump it up. What channel name, Jarrett? Look up in the chat. We got KC Trades right here. He is the one. Is the only one with face cam on. Good looking guy. So you subscribe to his channel. Does a Sunday live stream on here all the time. We appreciate him. And this is BK Lux Algo. 70% sale going off on the website. I believe that is the pin post up on the stream. Yeah, if you go to the top of the chat, there's a Lux Algo post. 70% Black Friday sale. Check it out. Check it out.
It's the best one of the year. It doesn't get better
You're the
than
best around. You know, I've met KC Trades in person once, right? Did we meet a second time?
Just once in Florida.
Yeah. It was me, you, someone, he who shall not be named, and then was it two people who shall not be named?
Yeah. Yeah, two people who should not be here.
Well, now I'm really curious who those people are.
I got to meet Whale. That was cool. He's a funny guy.
Yeah, Whale's funny. He's a great
Honestly, like what I expect online, I'm not sure, but like Whale reminds me of people in my life. That's what I'll say. Good guy.
If we paid for the prior match one, you get access to this one. Yeah, it's exact. It's the same. You get access. It's one time, and you get access to every single one after that I teach.
I'm
That
a
is
classic
correct.
like 6 out of 10. Nothing special. Slightly chubby right now. I'm just camera shy, and this is true. I live life slightly chubby though.
Same.
For now. Who said that, Casey? Casey was a pretty good looking guy. You could tell he's lived a good life. Fuck him. Excuse me. Sorry. This is a PG-13 show. No more curse words. We did get a real comment about that, though. Someone emailed us and was like, yeah, my kids kind of listen to this. We could chill it out sometimes. So I was like, you know what? It's not wrong. It's not.
Try our best.
We'll try our best. I feel like that's all we could do. What's good, my boa? Making gains are in pain. I want the captions. Let's do this. Little P&L check today. We got 1s in the chat if you are green trading today. 2s if you are red. 0 if you have not taken a trade. That's what I want to know in the chat. P&L check. I want ones if you are green. We got a 1 from KC. We got 2s in the chat if you are red, and 0 if you have not taken a trade today, which is fair. It's a Black Friday. We're just hanging out. 1 from your local. -1 from Pro Fast Guy. Nancy. Hopefully it's a small L. NH Alpha zeros. I appreciate you hanging out on a day where you're not trading. Listen, this is a great day to not trade. Honestly,
Great day not to
a
trade.
lot of zeros. Thank you for hanging out with us, talking about the market when you are not planning on trading. 2 right now, but swinging for next week. That's fair. Garrett. Actually, you know what we can do right now?
Getting a little rejection here.
Ooh, wow. Let's try this. Friday, Black Friday. Black Friday live stock market.
Even though I am a little sick and under the weather, I still plan on teaching the mastermind class tomorrow. So I will be teaching that live and recorded, regardless of how I feel. As long as I don't lose my voice. I'll lose my voice and I'm screwed. But
All right, that was a nice P&L check. You're trading the 0DT. Yeah, Ivan says in the chat. Let's see this. He's probably not wrong. Ivan says, if you're trading this 0DTE, you're a degen.
oh, this rejection on SPY and Q is working out. There we go.
No, Cheryl, this was not.
There's an hour and 37 minutes
guess.
left of the trading session, so 0DT is a little.
Oh man, we're coming
gambly.
into power hour already. Let's
that's
go.
true. I forgot that's called power hour.
We're coming into power
Is it an
hour,
hour and a half? I
guys.
thought it was 12. Or so is it?
It's
1
1
It is
12
p.m.
o'clock.
Yeah, 1 p.m. Eastern, right?
Yeah, we close at 1, so power hour starts at noon Eastern.
Yep. Let's go. It's almost power hour. I mean, I'm short. I'd like to see a little bit of a retracement. Sell off a little bit. I want to see new lows on a few of these names. Apple, Nvidia. Like the rejection that we just got on SPY and Qs. It's back testing pre-market high on SPY and 21 EMA. It's good to see a little bouncy, but we'd like to see the melt up and then the melt down, and that be the day.
Oh, God. I'm actually at Gob's place right now, and I'm using his monitor. It's fantastic. I need to get one of these, but it is a little. There's some things that I just need to get used to.
How many inches wide is it, Evan?
It's fat. Like honestly, like 36 or something, maybe more, maybe 48. What do these things do? What are they normally?
48, I think, is the max. That's what I have.
My guess is this guy was like, all right, I'm getting the max.
Yeah, Gob's all or nothing.
The US stock. For streaming, this is so much better because I have the live chat and everything else in a different place.
Yeah, the ability to have everything up on monitors, like all the best Twitter feeds, your charts, and your
Alexa,
brokers is just awesome. Yep. Though technically you don't need those up if you set up alerts for your strategies. You can just touch grass and it'll ping you.
Well, that's something a tick would say. I'm not going to touch grass.
Yeah, sponsored by Big Tick.
Big Wick Energy.
Ooh, who is that? Ooh, what's up, Frank?
Hey, boys.
What's
How you doing,
up,
sir?
Frank?
Little drop there, huh?
A little bit.
An interesting day.
Some. Putting the toilet bowls on the charts right now with the poop emojis. Looking good so far. Bring it on down. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Do something crazy. Do something crazy. Do something crazy. Yay! NVIDIA, new low of day. Apple about to do the same. Can we get some acceleration and continuation? I mean, technically that was a nice drop, but let's not stop there, boys and girls. Ooh, NVIDIA. Ooh. Previous day high retest on SPY. Nice break and rejection. Now the question is, do they just bounce it right here and just chop this thing right here? Or can we get continuation and just go back down to the lows?
Interesting. Okay.
Feel like I should send that alert for this one.
Slack is good sometimes, but then some of these things are hard to find. There we go.
Nice wick on SPY on the back test.
The low of these last two 30-minute SPX candles has been previous day high. Last three, actually.
Come on. That was a nice bounce for the initial reaction for the scalp. I get it. The bulls are sitting there. It's fine. But just you can consolidate for a minute or so, but just take it out and bring it back down. And let's just reverse the move, close flat, call it a day. Apple new low of day? Oh shit, am I green? I am. Ooh.
Pain. Rooting on my downfall.
Praying on Evan's downfall. Look, when Apple stock goes down, Evan's portfolio goes down, and when the funds transfer to my options account for the puts. Man, I mean, this is where IWM's still holding up decently. Q's didn't. It got close to previous day high, still sitting, back testing support. SPY back tested, hit the support. Apple hit the equal low, and NVIDIA hit previous month low. I mean, you have reasons to bounce right here after this little drop. Would be surprised if it just continued to knife. Would make more sense for the bounce, retest, and then just stay within the range until we see some move for power hour, which is about to start already. Awa. QCOM flow for next week. Let's see. QCOM. For next week, for what? 12.5? As of today, you have 993,000 bullish flow, 360,000 bearish flow. For next week specifically, imagine looking at the 1205s. I mean, there's some flow on 170s and 172s. Some bought, some sold, a little mixed. Largest order is on the 170s for 12.5 above the ask, unusual flow. Someone bought 2,973 contracts at $1.37 for 407,000. So that takes up almost half that flow. The other one is another order for 172.5s earlier at 6,370 of them at 0.62. That was earlier this morning at 10:49, about 394,000. So those two orders alone take up freaking like 85-90% of all that bullish flow. So the top two orders are 172.5s for next week on QCOM. Hell of a bounce on SPY and Qs. NVIDIA's still sitting there. Apple hit it.
Oh, he's got the poop emoji on there. What stock was that?
Apple and NVIDIA, just put it right on the toilet.
This guy, you suck. Boo! Boo this man. No, it's fair. I like it.
Yeah, I mean, QCOM looks good intraday as well here.
Oh, damn. Did you see this comment?
Weekly
Kells, I
looking
just
good.
took advantage of the Black Friday sales and signed up for Casey Trades and Luxalgo.
Hey, let's go.
I want to leave Paper Gains out. Paper, I don't think you did one this time. Paper's been really focused on his
yeah, no, I don't have one because there's a lot of reasons, but we don't usually do a whole lot of discounts, but once we release this anyways, it's like
Black Friday's a good time for it. I feel like honestly, I like the concept of doing it like once or twice a year, Black Friday, and you pick one in the first half. But yeah,
because if we're gonna change our format altogether anyways, so there's no reason to like push much of anything, to be honest. It will be better than that regardless.
But shout out to Kells supporting the team, taking advantage of that stuff. kind of weird. Casey trades.
Yeah,
It
keep an
doesn't
eye
look good
on
on this
that.
back
Keep
end
calm.
here. What time frames do you guys use?
All of them.
All of them.
Yeah, that was a funny question.
Yeah, I mean, monthly, week. Let's look right up here at the top for me. Monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute, 15, 10, and 5. Occasionally, we'll drop down to the 2 or 3. But those are the main time frames right up here that I use.
You know what I've been liking lately? Is not the 1 hour, but the 65-minute, because that divides the
Here we
session
go.
up
Okay.
nicely.
What? The
No, that makes sense.
65-minute
But think
chart?
about it. Does that make it into so there's an equal amount in the day? Is that what it does?
Yep,
Because
because otherwise one of the hours is only a half hour.
This is not the first time I've heard a 65-minute. Just saying. But there are people that do really. I mean, I use weird time frames too. But if you're asking the question, the answer is no one can stay on a single time frame. That's not how it works.
It's true.
None of us do
It's
that.
true.
If you're thinking that way, you're thinking wrong.
you're dumb.
It is called multiple time frame analysis. It is the thing and the only thing that you can do. You can't even look at a 65-minute candle until you've looked at a monthly. None of it will have much
I'm
meaning.
going to have to test that out, BK.
Huh?
That's
Yeah, you get 6
65
candles
minutes.
in a day. In a non-holiday day.
65 minutes.
It's actually the worst day to do that because it's the only exception. Though you need to turn extended hours off on it.
Oh, see, I won't do it. Nope, not for me. Can't.
You don't have to. It's just that will only show you the sessions.
Yeah, I gotta have extended hours on.
If you turn extended hours on, I wonder what that breaks into. Oh yeah,
Well,
it
Reinvents
if
next
you,
week. Too?
with extended hours on, the first candle starts at 9:25, so rather than 9:30 on TradingView.
Paper. I'm going to CES this year. My first time ever going.
Are you really?
I'm
Nice,
excited.
dude. It's always like a thing growing up, like, oh, it'd be so cool to go to CES, and then I never went, and then I've had opportunities to go, and like as I was older, I was like, I just didn't go. Don't know what to say.
That's why I'm just kind of like the Warren Buffett Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting. I've never been before this year. I was like, we won't have many opportunities left, so I just went.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Didn't realize you got to go to that.
I mean, I paid, but yes.
IWM can get a little squeezy downside if it doesn't start to bounce a little bit stronger, like spying Qs right here.
I don't know why it deleted all the cards I have.
This is the change in the market for the last hour. All the things that are green and red. Oh wait, everything's flat. Nothing.
Wow.
I'm sitting here like, what's happening? And I realize it. Ooh, is this
Straight nothing. If you look at the tick, the NYSE tick, we've stayed under 400 and pretty much above negative 400 all day, just very right in the middle.
Mic check. Do you guys got me?
Gotcha.
Yeah. You know, I did just learn that I can go down and the stream will not go down. I had to turn my VPN on. Okay. And now I should be able to gift some subs.
And the video might crack that low here soon. Ooh. I'm gonna punch my mini golden doodle in the face.
Here we go, chat. I appreciate you guys for coming in and hanging out with us on this Friday.
What's up, YouTube?
Couple gifted subs coming your way. Mind you guys got to click at the top. If you click where, like at the top of the chat where it says my logo and 5 gift subs, if you click that, it will say like turn on something, and that has to be turned on to get gifts and subs. Why they did that, I don't know, but yeah, got some gifted subs coming. Wolfpack. W's in the chat. But yeah, we are now 17 minutes from Power Hour. I want to also let you know from the Wolf Trading account, we just got a post out with all like the prop firm deals that they're doing. You guys should go give that post a like, especially if you are on X. And go share that out.
Wiki.
You're hopped off airplane and took longs off 682 support, is what somebody said in the chat. Is what Tyler said in the chat. Tyler Van Pelt. But yeah, there we go. W's coming. Interesting. This person's chat didn't get published. Just sent me a movie. Whoa. That sounds horrible. Oh, he's watching it on the TV in, what is that? What type of TV is that? Is it like a frame? He's watching stream while he's cooking.
Vol D still cruising, moving higher, looking very strong. Ticks back and forth. VIX is chopping sideways. Nothing there.
Considering most of the NASDAQ is positive, I would expect the UVol should be skewed upside today.
Okay,
Hey, Jerome, some power hour.
Wow.
Power hour. Alex says happy holidays. You as well. We appreciate you being here. How do I join the chat? You did just join the chat, though. Welcome, Jeffrey. We got a football game starting here soonish, too. An hour or two, but still. What is it? Eagles, Bears. Oh, no, it's at 3 p.m. Eastern. Why do I have none of the Wolf Trading stuff up? Nope, the prop firm things. Graphics, is this where it would be? Show. Ah. It's this. Ooh, okay. Wait. Nope. Breaking news. Interesting. Oh, is this what we use? No. Okay.
Silver is looking parabolic. I mean, you look at the other non-gold semi-precious metals, silver, palladium, platinum, they're all starting to catch up. I should probably check copper before I throw copper into that. But yeah, what are CFDs on copper? Copper hasn't gone as crazy. It also isn't, I think, typically considered a semi-precious. It's just useful.
Let's see. Silver looking parabolic, breaking over your base. And this was horrible. Every 2-3 plays, they got flags. Okay. New breaking out over previous month high after basing below prior 2024 highs is what Max Trade says.
Yeah, NU's been a good one. M's been all over that one recently, or not recently, for a while now.
Intel might hit 40 today.
I thought it already
20
did.
cents away right now.
I'll say it's got to be close.
20 cents.
Oh, what a beast.
Yeah, that's an 8% day on Intel.
That's insane.
Jeffrey asks, Mag 7 inflows, outflows. Check, because today is the last day of the month. I would see after market close or 15 minutes after, depending on your data source, what MOC imbalances ended up as, because end of month, slightly less significant than end of quarter, but you do see institutions and larger players get their MOC orders for their monthly balance sheets done there.
Shout out to Abby for NVIDIA average share price holder of $25. Dang. Yeah, not bad. Shit, you got me beat. Mine's a 96.
Listen, I have some L's. I definitely have some L's. My video cost basis is $7.56.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh my God. $7.
750, so we can round up to 8. My Apple cost basis is $11.14. It was lower, but this I was single digits, but 11.14 on Apple.
Yeesh.
Actually, if anyone follows my Blossom, that's linked to my actual portfolio and it shows it in there. You can see it up like 2,000%.
Well, we're about to enter into power hour. So
I am up 2,284% on Apple. I am up 2,132% on NVIDIA.
Let's go, Evan.
I am down. Let's see. 25% on BM&R. Dan Yo Sun 808 said I bought 50K worth of silver in 2020 at $16 an ounce.
hell yeah.
I think that's true. 100K? Not bad.
Oh, you bought NVIDIA in 2022? 2021? Ooh, hell yeah.
Yeah, I bought it like 2019.
Let's go.
I first bought NVIDIA $159 pre-split August 16th, 2019. I was actually still in college. I bought 2 shares. Let's get this post up again.
Oh, they took SPY back to equal highs after the previous day high retest again. Your NVIDIA cost basis is $3.84.
Yeah, that's great.
That's insane. Please tell me you have like a bajillion shares at that price. Yes, a lot. Let's go.
He has to file with the
10,000
SEC
shares.
as a beneficial owner.
A bajillion.
Okay. I bought 2 shares at 159 pre a 4-for-1 split and a 3-for-1 split and a 10-for-1 split.
Damn.
159.25.
I know a dude who has about 10,000 shares of Apple in the teens right now.
398.
It's freaking insane.
No. So the 2 shares of Nvidia I bought as a college kid, not much money. It's been $319. That is now 14,000. You got the post up. Little humble brag for the Thanksgiving. Bad little buy. Only I was not a broke college kid. Bring that back. I still own those 2. I still have not sold a single share of Nvidia yet. You bucks from all time.
Do you have enough to write calls?
Yes.
Have you considered writing calls?
Yeah, maybe, but honestly, like not. I've not been running at this point. I mean, that 2 shares is now 80 shares after stock splits. It makes you think if it was like now in a couple of years.
There we go. I sold some of my NVIDIA recently.
I did buy a call that I ended up cashing in a little bit on. It was nice.
I mean,
Yeah.
when NVIDIA went over 200 after I bought it in April from 98, I had to do something because it was just, I bought a decent amount and it, obviously the April dip was a gift from Jesus because then we just continue to rip after that. So it's not common to catch 100% on equity, especially on NVIDIA, like that fast.
I got turned off dividend reinvestment for Nvidia though. My whole cent per share.
Have they had a strong dividend to reinvest?
No, it's literally 1 cent, but I turned it off. That makes you feel like anything.
Well, it is about that time.
We appreciate you, Casey, for hanging out with us. We're 1 minute from power hour starting.
We are 10 seconds away.
10 seconds, the power hour.
So, welcome everybody to the most
Give me the
boring power
give me the
hour.
lights. Give me the lights going everywhere. It is power hour time. Here we go.
Power hour.
Where wins become losses and losses become wins.
Let's see what this market has in store for the last hour of this holiday half day week.
Was that not you heading off? Or was that you just like signaling his power hour?
That was me signaling his power hour.
Nice. Oh, okay. I was like, oh, we're losing KC.
And Everly is outside my door wearing a mermaid dress.
Please don't show the front of your house again. Do me that favor.
What, me?
Yeah.
I'll show you the front, the back, whatever you want to see,
Don't,
baby.
don't do that online, dude. Online is a weird place.
You know, all your information is public. You can find it.
I know.
It's
I
not
do know
hard.
that.
You can
Actually, when I
find
was a
out
financial advisor for a
everything.
hot second, we used Zoom Info, which just scrapes your LinkedIn and gave us all numbers and everything.
Yeah. Like it's not hard to find people's public information. Like I've never understood why people even covered up license plates on their cars whenever they post pictures of it. I think that's stupid. Um, like it's yeah.
Okay, I'm back once again.
Bow, chicka, bow, bow. IWM still consolidating sideways. Flying Q still doing nothing. I mean, a lot of things still doing absolutely nothing. Hi.
I may head
Oh,
off here. I need to get editing a video. So
you don't want to stick around for the IB Crush Hour?
no, I'm good for today.
Yeah, today was just a data. Today was more of like, when it's like close to the end of the school year and you show up knowing like your teacher, we're not going to do anything planned, you're just there for attendance purposes. Like, it's kind of what today was.
We had a lot of zeros in the chat when we asked 2, 1, 2, and 0 if you weren't taking trades. Most people just hanging out, chilling with a squad. BK, if you want to give one more shout out to the Lux on the YouTube chat, it is the post or the tweet pinned at the top of the chat. So if you guys go up there, there's a link. Lux is doing a 70% sale. You guys should take advantage. Want to talk us through that one more time? We appreciate you, sir, for hanging out with us today.
Absolutely, of course, and thank you guys for having me. But yeah, you get 70% off. There's 2 plans. The ultimate that includes access to our AI agent and the new native alerts. For 10 million strategies you can set up. That is 1 cent more. So definitely choose ultimate instead of premium. And yeah, give it a try. You have 30 days risk-free where you can, anytime before 30 days, you can decide it's not for you. You can cancel that. But if it's your first time signing up for Flex Algo, and yeah, we're just keep building, expanding this AI and automation. So we've got lots of fun things planned, new features, and I think we are the leader, in these tools right now, and trying to take technical trading automated. So yeah, appreciate everyone around for that journey and who's using the tools. If you click our account, I just saw someone commented, do you have any videos on how to use Luxalgo? Click on our account. We have YouTube tutorials there, as well as in our last YouTube video announcing and walking through the AI. In the description there is also a community live stream where we demo and take some questions and talk about that. So Yeah. Thanks, y'all.
Appreciate
Later,
you, sir.
BK.
And after that, you should go check out Lux. There you go. They just commented in the chat as well. Oh, I could switch over to graphics. Oh, live bar. Okay. If anyone joins us here for the Power Hour, 55 minutes left in the day. Black Friday day. Crazy how like a decade ago, Black Friday was this whole like in-person thing, people getting mobbed and swamped, and you get like tackled, and now that is fully a thing of the past.
Getting stabbed over a toaster.
Stabbing someone over a toaster. I lost myself 1 or 2 Black Fridays.
Black Friday used to be crazy. People be camping out overnight in front of Best Buy in tents.
Kind of fun, honestly.
Times were so much more fun back then.
Except for the brawling and the things, there was some cool. Wasn't the worst thing. Did you know Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway? So all we know is that they bought 17.8 million shares of Google during the quarter. Google was priced between $176 to $254 during the quarter. That means Buffett is spent between 3.14 to $4.5 billion on the shares. Those shares are currently worth $5.8 billion. So he is up
Dang.
between 1.2 billion to 2.6 billion.
SPY new high, Qs equal high, IWM nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Honestly, that's how many interesting tweets I've posted today, I feel like.
Too young to know Circuit City? I remember it. I remember Circuit City. And then they ripped it down and they built I think they built a Ruby Tuesdays and Radio Shack. I'm not too young for Radio Shack. I used to live there. I know
Maybe
Radio Shack.
maybe got the end of Radio Shack, but like, yeah, like I don't know. I don't like maybe yeah. I think I missed the prime of Radio Shack.
You guys down south ever have Kmarts? We did have Kmarts. We did.
You know, stores fit. Like I have some good memories of Dave and Buster's.
They just built a brand new one.
Dave and
Called
Buster's,
30.
fantastic place. I put in a
Love
buy
it.
order for Dave and Buster's like $4.50 during the pandemic, and it got to like $4.55 during that big crash.
They had the best commercial. What, the shipped my pants? That was like a GOAT commercial from Kmart. You can ship your pants right here. I can ship my pants. You can ship your pants.
You want to mute for a second?
Piggly Wiggly? Yeah, we got that too. The pig, call it pig wig.
Oh my god. I wasn't on mute. I just got his
Nope.
copyright striked. I hate this. God, YouTube sucks so much. Damn it.
Ooh. Yeah, nice breakout. Anything on the flow coming in before the close? Probably not. I just shipped my bed. Um, just did a breakdown retest between the two right here. Yeah, I don't know. Looks dicey.
Ow.
Big downside candle on the tick. Almost your lowest tick of the day right now. Let me see. 468. That was the lowest tick of the day. I mean, we're not seeing a big I mean, we're seeing a decent rejection, but even this drop that's right here, the tick was like minus 480 earlier. That one just went minus 500.
What's happening? Someone's asked if there's news. I had to go in and buy things.
News?
And said I will be doing a little Black Friday shopping.
I don't see anything crazy on the news. Even though my name is KC, I am not from Kansas City. I do not live in Kansas City.
Someone asked that? I don't see it.
Someone said, Casey, where do you trade from? The city. I'm going to take a guess and say that's where that next sentence was going to lead to, because 9 times out of 10 it usually does. Yeah, so you always get asked that. I know. Ugh. But I am in North Carolina. They're on the coast. You can get a little rug pull right here. A little 5-minute squeeze downside. Look at IWM. Told you the 5-minute squeeze downside over there when spine cues are going higher. Look at that.
Sorry, I am back.
There it goes. Said it can get a little squeezy 5-minute downside. There it goes.
Alright.
Spine cues still not doing anything, but IWM was already leading it. Did this last session too, going into the close. We were waiting for a pullback on spine cues. It gave a little bit, but IWM gave the huge flush right here. It was already setting up for it. Oh, right there. That's what you want to see here. 5-minute squeeze. Flipped bearish. There. That was the entry, which would be this candle there. Boom. Squeeze candle right after. Spine cues still just same spot. Looking like they want to try it next. I'm for it,
Oh no, I want upside.
but
Give me a little reversal end high day.
I mean,
But fair enough. I guess this stocks on spaces. M said wait, my 445 order didn't fill yet.
I mean, you got to think this entire price action from low to high on SPY is less than $3. I mean, that's disgusting. Here, is EMP short? Here you go.
Lives life short.
Here you go. Come on, right here.
They responsibly short into next week is what M just said.
Oh, into next week. Okay. He's not worried about how this closes, most likely then. Well,
Rose at his
IWM
kid's
did
birthday
its little
sweating it.
squeeze. Bouncing
Frank
back up. Spine cues.
Up here for
Nothing.
All right, Frank, we got you back. Sometimes.
Here you go. Here you go, imp. Oopsies. Putting that red candle straight in your toilet. There you go.
Yeah.
It's almost there.
Dump it. Give me the loop.
Just get right in the bowl.
Yeah, that's
Right in the bowl. It's about to enter. Here it goes.
Remember, guys, prop firms.
There you
New
go.
account.
Oh, there you go. It's in the toilet bowl. Woo.
Dude. No, she does not want to go in the toilet. Don't move the toilet bowl up. I saw that. Move
I'm
it
trying
back
to put it
down.
like right on the yellow line. There, look, it's in the toilet. It's literally in the toilet. Actually, it's sitting on the seat. It actually hit the seat. Here, let's. It just hit the seat. Oh, they're bouncing it off the toilet lid. Bouncing it off the toilet lid. SPY swing into next week? No, I'm not swinging SPY, Qs, none of this shit into next week. Not a chance.
The Apple Store's just not working.
So is it me? No.
Watch it. You guys, classic spaces. At some point, I'll stop calling it spaces. I thought about that after I said it, though.
I mean, if it breaks the toilet bowl, comes down to the poop.
New 52-week high list is not crazy long.
Oh, into the bowl. Dude, I bet SPX would be wild right now. I haven't even looked at that chain. Let's go take a look.
What chain are you looking at? Sorry, I missed that.
SPX 0 DTEs. I
You are
bet
in the
they're
last hour. I wonder how many people don't know that. Yeah, guys, this is the last hour of the day, power hour. Definitely, 0 DTE, degen, extra degen time.
yeah. But they're moving nutty buddies.
AC, do you guys have anything to track volume like Bookmap?
That book map's more for futures. That's more EMP. For me, for options trading, looking at stocks, it's more volume profile that I use.
Dr. J says EMP would be short, saying there is a 63.7384% we touched yesterday's close. That is his quote of you. You're here, EMP.
Apple 280 calls just came in for a 12/12 expiration, 2.3 million. Someone bought 8,000 contracts at 2.85 on the premium.
You know what's funny? Whenever I type General Motors stock and then the ticker GM, I get a lot of random people who have bots to just say good morning to posts that say GM. For the record, General Motors hit new 52-week highs today.
General Motors, General Motors.
Gee. A
Oh,
couple interesting
we
names on the new 52-week high list.
hit the toilet bowl in the yellow level. So now
Nintendo, pump it up.
do we go to here or there?
I'm team up. I'm team magnet.
Apple's ripping. I closed the lottos after that flow came in. How's Meta still doing? Meta still cruising. Meta 645. Good for you. Tesla rejected, came back down and chilling 430. Nothing there.
Yeah, volume looks low on these 52-week high names. Definitely tell. I wonder if that's why the volume was a little higher earlier in the week. People were just kind of like getting their volume out of the way for the rest of the week. Walmart and Broadcom are the two names that stand out on the 52-week high list today. Analog Devices, Albemarle, Barclays, Dominion Energy, General Motors. We'll put GM. Sands, Synchrony Financial. I need to find. We know Dr. I think Dr. J, he would be using either Edgeful or something like that for his data. Ooh, let's move Nubank up. I know you guys like some Nubank. Southwest Scan. Casey's General Store. Just when I saw that, I just thought of UKC, even though it's CASEY. Bought silver now up 5% today. All-time highs. GG.
Not looking good. IWM still trying to go lower. SPY hitting the level again. Q still holding the 21. Yeah, Q's holding. IWM failing. SPY between the two.
I need to get better at using some of these AI tools. I'm seeing some of these Nano Banana, and I'm seeing some of these Gemini 3 things. Really pretty crazy.
I might take some puts here in a second on SPY. This ain't looking good.
Oh, the poop's gonna win.
I think so.
The poop's got to go somewhere, right? I mean,
It's got to go somewhere.
it's crazy. This whole stream is probably copyrighted because of like 5 seconds that I had my thing on.
You're gonna get sued. Oh, they breaking it.
All right, if anyone's losing their prop firm accounts, remember code Wolf. Look at the bottom of the screen. No, I'm kidding, but damn. What's BMR doing into the close? I could tell you, based on the portfolio, probably it's getting back to even. No one wants to be long into the weekend. It's fair. I get it. Low volume though. Casey, do you know where we're at in SPY?
Price
No,
or
volume.
volume?
Yeah.
It's Qs. 15 million on Qs. 27 million on SPY.
Jeez. Yeah, that feels pretty low. We had a good turnout on the YouTube though. A lot of you guys didn't even take a trade, just hanging out. That's one of my favorite parts here. M said SLV and GLD my stock picks for the week. All right, fair enough. Imp's been cooking. Okay. Give me the loot.
Man, are they going
Hey,
to close it
Casey.
right on the yellow level? Jesus. Yeah.
What are you doing Black Friday wise for your group?
Oh, I still have a few 50% discount codes out there.
How can we get this? How can we hook one or two people up in the chat? Yes,
Well,
hosting us today. We appreciate you. Looks like thanks 50 was the code.
Yeah, THX50 gives you 50% off absolutely anything and everything that is in my store. So I am teaching my mastermind class tomorrow morning. You can use the code on the mastermind class if you'd like. And then if you also want to sign up for our trading team as well, whether you want to do your month, your annual, or lifetime, you can use that code THX50 on that as well and get 50% off. So I did throw some more codes out there on Wednesday. I made another 50 because the other 50 got used, and I believe there's still some out there as well. So
I just put that in the
yes.
YouTube chat. Casey, like this today. He's coming in, hanging out with us all the time. And he will too. He will continue to. But that extra, the group, all that good stuff. I'm going to I put that in the YouTube chat. I'm trying to add it to the X one as well. But if you guys just go to Casey's page, you shall see it. I hate when I hear my own voice. AC trades. I just put his in the chat. You guys should go to that page and you'll find it. Thanks 50. I know we got a link off you at some point, like for the Wolf page, but whatever. We'll figure out on a day that's not Black Friday. You're doing a nice big discount there.
Yeah.
Appreciate you for pretty much hosting today.
Yeah.
I was Team
absolutely.
Magnet. The poop looks like it's gonna win. Unless we
I don't
pull it up.
know.
It's a strong magnet though.
I don't know. I don't know where we're gonna end up. We're either gonna come back down to previous day low towards the poop, or previous day high, sorry, which is gonna be right at the poop. We're sitting right at the toilet. No magnet. We'll see. IWM still leading the way down. Not looking good.
It's interesting. I don't think live streams. I don't think they really give you good stats and how many people subscribe from the live stream. Like a lot of been a good job. If you guys aren't already subscribed, you should make sure you are subscribed to the YouTube channel if you want to see more stuff like this. Hit that bell button also if you guys want to stay notified whenever we go live. There's a way that we could see that. Wait a second. Experience. Did you know that out of everyone subscribed to the YouTube channel, 17.6% have hit that bell button to get notifications?
Let's go.
That all notifications specifically. And then 12.1% have all notifications on and have YouTube allow notifications for YouTube. Watch time. 70% of the watch time is actually from subscribers. Interesting. One of these days, this YouTube algo is going to really push us out. Imagine if we were building on YouTube for the last like 3 years with this whole show, or 2 years, or whatever it's been. KC would have 10 houses.
Anything else come in? Well, more apples,
Ooh.
repeated orders.
It's fighting. Apple's been a good stock.
I don't want to take a little lotto short into the close up here, but
Take a good lotto long into the close next week. Apple. Evan, this YouTube thing is way better than X Spaces. First time here, just subscribed. Let's go. YouTube is fire compared to X. Good things and bad things. For the live streams, yes. Like YouTube's a live stream platform. But I will say for news and for information and the whole community, X is still fantastic. Enjoy, but for live streams specifically and like the content, YouTube is better. It's a fact. Sorry. Spaces have their place though. We should have, yeah, we definitely have less of a delay. Oh, W, we got a new Wolfpack member. Let's go, Jeff. Oh, I'll never do that again, I promise. We appreciate you for joining the Wolfpack, hanging out with us. Oop, nope. Spaces is pretty bad sometimes. W in the chat. We appreciate you, Jeff. David said he gets a lot of commercials though on the YouTube. Let's go, Jeff. Happy Friday, happy Black Friday. You know, why doesn't YouTube do a little Black Friday discount for these things? They take like 20, 30, I think they take like actually like 40 or 50% cut. Take 10% less of a cut and give people a discount. Use Brave browser, no commercials. Honestly, I'm okay with it. Just give the stream a like. Just give the stream a like at least and leave a comment. You guys can use Brave browser. We don't need the ad money. It is nice though. And big W condition here on this YouTube though is us getting pushed by that YouTube algo. Ooh, 2338 YouTube subscribers now. Sup guys? Sup Jeff? Flexing the badge? I will say, I'm changing it to the wolf pack. Great big W. I am a fan.
Here we go. There's VWAP
Jumping.
on QQQ.
Guys. Where's Minx? You see your vibe, sheer spirit. Come on.
Did we go to the poop emoji? The short? Are they gonna save cues here or send it down to previous day high and send spy to the poop? Where do we go?
Impressive. Did I forget to add it? I did. Ooh, there it is. What do you think? Anything on the 52-week low list? Evan, I was talking crap about you and BM&R the other day. I guess that's all I need to do for BM&R to go up. Let's go. Although, to be fair, I'm still down, so don't worry. It's something worth taking crap on. You know what I've kind of I put in too much money into BM&R. I did. But the way I look at everything is just do it out in public and turn it into content, and then it helps me move forward. And could be argued into a business expense, not really, but Casey, I genuinely, if I was just the Apple guy, it'd be a pretty good time right now. BM&R is moving lower though. Gave back almost all the gains today is what he said. 14, 14.2. What do you think that means? That's crazy. Community mod. BM&R tax write-off. If you guys need any help from a community, a BM&R mod member, let me know. Yo, what is up, Mixed Madness? Does the Casey trade subscription stack up? What do you think that means?
I have no idea.
Do you guys run LuxAlgo or promote it? So we don't like LuxAlgo is its own company. They do their own stuff. I mean, BK comes on the spaces a lot. But we work with them. We do not make LuxAlgo though. I think they're one of the people we worked with the longest though. Close up there. It's been a good minute. And honestly, most of us have used it for a long time. I'm just not a trader, so I have nothing on my charts. I'm actually pretty bad at the stock market comparatively. There is a heavy reason I am the news guy. Someone needs to, someone needs to be laughed at, right? We're probably going to the poop emoji, but I like get me to a magnet. Apple wants to go green.
The video's not looking good. I think the video might
Will
want
the new
to make a new
subscription
low.
time? Okay, so Saz says, will the new subscription time be added to your account starting after your current one ends? Is what I meant. I think what he's saying is he wants to take it. He wants to use the Black Friday sale to like get onto it, but he already has an account with your group.
Oh no, I mean it's like, oh, we're breaking down a little bit here. It's two completely separate things. It's like,
SPX. Yeah, go.
I was gonna say, it's like you have a subscription to, I don't know, like Hulu or something. You've had it all year for $9 a month, and then Black Friday comes around. They're like, hey, you can buy the annual for the next 12 months for half off. So it's going to save you money in the long run. You cancel your current monthly plan that you have with them. You take advantage of the larger bundle with the 50% discount. It's the same thing as that. So you would have to cancel your old subscription, purchase the new one with the discount. We got, what, 15 minutes left, MOC?
I don't even know if Jordan woke up yet. Just fair enough. It's literally 9:45 there. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. BK putting out a post an inside week for Coinbase, but buyers are inching in as Coinbase enters prediction markets. It's a BK post. Who do you think wins today, Bears or Eagles?
You asking me?
No one else to ask. Yeah. Well, Eagles are favored by -7. The spread is -7 for the Eagles.
I'd give it to the Eagles.
I'd still probably take the Eagles, yeah. Nobody trusts the Bears. Although -7, the Bears will lose close. You know what? But the Eagles -7. The Bears about to get blown out. Ooh. Keep it close. A frisky game. I'll ride with the Bears. Bears -7. Bears +7. Oh, that's cool. This charger he has also charged my AirPods.
All right. Well, my NVIDIA put lottos are back green a little bit here going into the close. I'm not going to swing them. I'm going to close them here momentarily.
Checking in, boys.
What's up,
Checking
Paper?
out. Yo.
Hello, goodbye.
I'm like, hey, there's 10
the
minutes. I
days.
should probably unmute and look at this thing. I think I'm over here on this stream.
You're good, sir. We appreciate you for hanging out with us for a little.
Did you
earlier.
finish your Christmas lights?
Yes.
Yes. It was a very slow answer. Yes. Casey's got the new house. Are you doing it up big? First year?
No. It was going to cost like $3,500 or $3,600 for them to come out here and install like the permanent lights on the house.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so maybe next year. So we just we put our decorations out for the first year.
What about you?
That actually does not
Paper?
sound that bad for the permanent
Is
light.
that what you were just doing, Paper?
Dude, not the permanent ones. No. We'll probably move around for a little while. But yeah, like measuring, cutting lines and getting on the roof and clipping a bunch of stuff up there. Yeah, for sure.
We got some Amit fans in the chat. Garrett calling you Asian Steve.
Asian Steve. Just the crew. Stuff looks weird, kind of constructive. I don't know. I kind of overheard Casey's like, I'm there. Like, I really don't want to swing anything or press any stupid bets. I like Amazon a lot. But it's just weird market. And I don't think I can really take a clean tell anyways from today's price action. It's just sideways. Net sideways. And we're like right at the tippy top of like
There
the
goes
bear,
IWM a little bit
the
more.
bear zone. So
How does this sound?
see.
A little bit better.
I put
That's
on
good.
now I connected to Cobb's mic.
Sounds good. But hey,
Appreciate you, sir.
closing out the month. What a freaking fracking recovery on my hoodie. Nice bounce for BMNR. Even to close out the week from 26 to 30 something. Opening at the 20-day. Probably
It's giving a little bit of it back though.
Yeah, I just hit the 20-day simple today. So it'll expect that and then chop
Ooh,
around a
apple
little
green
bit.
though. Into the close.
Yeah. Google third time holding that like 315 area. So I don't know. Maybe it bounces.
Ooh, Ripper candle.
Oh, is that news, you think? Probably not.
MOC.
Yeah.
Wow. I hear MOC gets leaked early. Is this true?
Nah, I don't think it matters.
Oh,
But yeah,
rippity
probably.
doo-dah.
Probably.
I told you,
I liked-
Magnet. Was I
I
confident
liked
about it?
ARM for a
No.
while, but then that last like 30 minutes, I'm like, ugh, I don't really like it.
Ooh. M said in the chat, Eagles win, Bears cover.
Where's Amp?
He's son's birthday. It's a mini amp. I believe it might be mini amp number 2.
No, it's E Mini. That's what it was.
The E Mini 2 contract is having its 3-year anniversary today.
Nice.
So a little busy.
Love it.
ES chose violence, is what Jared says. What time we close today? Literally in 9 minutes.
9 minutes.
All right. All right. I closed my NVIDIA right near entry. No movement. Nothing significant. It's just sitting right down here.
Monday we'll tell a better story. Well, next week.
Yeah.
This little wick here. Come on, get to that magnet. You know you want to. Apple, lead the way. Imagine if I was thinking out, I like taking an apple swing, but
Dude,
didn't have the balls.
everything's going back to where it opened. I mean, you
so
can maybe
dumb.
take a little Google bounce because 3 tries, it's probably going to bounce pretty aggressively.
Holy shit! From that Apple call flow. Oh, what a freaking move! Yeah. Ripper upside. INTC still pushing? INT hit 40?
All right, let's
Oh
lose
yeah,
some
it's
money.
over 40.
All right, guys. I'll see you.
Appreciate your paper.
Monday. Peace out.
Later, game.
Ooh, you actually gonna be here
Maybe.
Monday? Or did you just say that as like a goodbye?
I will see you on Monday, maybe.
I will see you probably on Monday. Everyone likes to book up that time.
You know, it's a big planning day in general.
People love Monday meetings, dude. I'm with a group of people that just love a nice Monday meeting. Tuesday's
Love
empty
a
though.
Monday meeting? I don't know, but
I hate it. They love it though. It's prime time Monday meeting. I appreciate you, sir. If you are on a prop firms, make sure you close out, is what Emp said. Market is closing in 7 minutes, so it is a good reminder. Appreciate you, paper. Market closing in 7 minutes. Probably, maybe even 6. 5? No. Okay, it's now raining outside. Better than a Friday meeting. That's not wrong. They do enjoy a Friday. It's like a nice, like a little. They enjoy a good bookmark, like a bookmark the week or whatever it is. I agree. Friday afternoon is my worst time. I just kind of get tired. I enjoy a good sneaky Saturday meeting. Saturday morning. But I know that's not most people. We're going to end in the toilet. That's what it's going to be. We're just going to end up where we started this power hour. Oh, nice. We hit over 340 subscribers on YouTube. This was a good subscriber day. We jumped like 50 subscribers. Let's go. I hope you guys, when you guys are subscribing, you're hitting that bell button to send you guys notifications. Let's see. 403 of you guys have it. Did I say there's that the same number as before? Wonder if there's auto updates. But yeah, if you guys are already subscribed, hit that bell button to get notifications whenever we go live. Wow, 60% of you guys watching the computer. David's an OG subscriber. Shout out. Let's see. I bet you I can tell you when you subscribed. Let's see.
QQQ new high day.
Great way to end it, right?
Ripper. Except for NVIDIA. looks still disgusting sitting at the low. Apple new high day. Look at the two inverse charts. They never got to the toilet, and Nvidia is just a slow bleed.
Yeah, David has commented in a lot of chats. Doesn't tell me when you subscribe though. I'm a new subscriber. Let's go. Welcome, Squirrel. We got an OG and a new. What a good day. It's a beautiful day. All right. 4 minutes until the close. Casey, what's your plans for the rest of the day?
I don't know. I have absolutely no idea. I got to make some content for the YouTube channel.
Oh, ripping.
And then I do have some people coming over to hang out and visit for a little bit, see the kids. But other than that, nothing really. Ready to go ahead.
What content have you been making on your channel?
Huh?
Casey Trade. What content have you been making on your channel?
I just started doing the Trade Doctor episodes, so I'm about to do another short reel and answer some more. I got a bunch of DMs. I got some questions I have to go through and select.
You should film like 10 of them at once and just get 2 out a day.
Not a bad idea.
All right, so what do you want? Trade doctors? What's the premise here? Well,
Evan,
let's
look.
get you. We're
Look.
pumping them. Let's go. Come on.
You're about to hit the magnet. Look at that.
Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. I did not get filled on those Apple calls. I would have been up a lot. I actually ended up trying to put in an order on it. I hate stuff. Whatever. SPX 6850 pin risk. Oh, the magnets. The claw.
There it is. The magnet level has been hit on SPY. Look at that.
That's crazy. We almost hit both of them, dude. They never make it easy. Come on. Keep going.
That's insane. No, that's high day.
Green. Dude, Apple's gonna have a ripper week. Apple, never mind.
Right here, right there. It's gonna be high day. They're close it right up there.
What a great way to close the week.
Meta's getting a candle.
I thought they didn't want to be long going into the week, which would have been fair. The weekend, they might want to not be short.
Oops.
Going into the end of the month.
Look at Meta.
Ooh, 2, 3, 4, 4 subscribers. I don't think that auto updates in real time. Damn, dude.
Pump it.
Damn, now it's going above the candle.
Pump it. Louder. Pump it. Louder.
That's the stereo. Mm-hmm. If, by the way, if we ever get a YouTube strike because of your singing, I'll pay you. We're gonna end right at that bottom of the magnet. That'd be pretty cool.
I know. I'm telling you that. I think they're gonna close it right on that level right there. It would be something if, like, right after the market closed, the next 5-minute candle retraced it straight back down to this one.
It's gonna just dump it into the toilet. A nice little hoopski down.
Just goes from there, and it just right after the market closed, it just goes right back.
Intel extends to rise 10% on the day. Baker Mayfield is trending towards playing. Good day, team. Market is now closed. Appreciate everyone for hanging out with us today. Shout out to KC coming in. No one knew this was going to happen, but he's coming in and co-hosting this thing. We appreciate you for hanging out with us, sir. And you got some good YouTube
Absolutely.
Trade Doctor. Here's what I want to say. What exactly do you want from the Trade Doctor? Just questions of like, is it like a trade setup or something? How can we get more inbound to you?
Yeah, so the trade doctor, essentially what it is, it's just people that have just general questions about trading, or maybe they took a trade, and maybe they're trying to get someone else's opinion. Maybe like, did I did I miss something? Did I do something wrong? Or just overall, what it's mainly for is something that you're struggling with as a trader. So it would be like, I have, good technical analysis, but my entries are terrible, and I'm entering like right here. Maybe I'm rushing into things. I'm not being patient. Maybe my risk management isn't the best, or maybe they just want some clarity on a specific topic, maybe such as support and resistance, supply demand zones, how to locate those on charts, just whatever kind of trading questions that they have, or something again that they're struggling with overall as a trader. They can send me a DM on X. That's mainly where I told people to go to. Just explaining, what thing that they're trying to get more clarification on, or something that they're personally struggling with as a trader. And then I make that short reel just answering back to their question. And then I post it onto the Trade Doctor for the YouTube channel.
Very nice. Go in, give KC some questions. You can go check him out on X, KC Trades. It is literally retracing part of it right now. But yeah, we appreciate him. We appreciate everyone. If you go in and KC, go comment on the chat one more time.
Yeah.
And you guys should be check out the chat. You'll be able to go in and subscribe to his channel. We've been posting a lot of shorts on this channel as well. We've been trying to do some cool stuff. We appreciate everyone for coming in and hanging out on this Wolf Trading Friday live stream, shortened. And Jordan off living life, enjoying the holidays, doing some good stuff. Shout out to KC just commenting in the chat. Let's fucking go subscribe to him if you want to see more of that stuff. We appreciate you for basically hosting this Friday stream. We will be back Monday. If you guys are not subscribed, be subscribed. If you're already subscribed, hit that bell button. Yeah, we appreciate y'all.
Yes, sir. SPY again, it closed at 683.34. The level was 683.31. It closed 3 cents above it, right where the magnet was. So nice pop there into the close. So, but yeah, like Evan said, appreciate everyone who tuned in to the stream today. Again, I just honestly hung out around just seeing if there was anything there intraday. Overall, not interested in a lot of things for day trades. Took a few things here and there. Honestly, took a little bit of a loss on some of these day trades, but we had an amazing week prior to it, and looking more for larger time frame setups. So I don't think a lot of them show some larger time frame setups just yet. I think we need a little bit more price action. I think similar to what Paper said before he left, next week will tell a little bit more. So interested to see how the Monday and Tuesday are going to go within the market. Look at those larger time frames now that we're going to be ending the week of, or the month of November, going into December. So, but yeah, I'll be doing the mastermind class tomorrow morning for those that signed up and registered for it. And then I'll be doing the Sunday night live stream, just sharing some charts and some homework that I find. Looking forward to go into the next trading week. So make sure you guys go check that out as well. But appreciate you, Evan, for letting me come on and just kind of hanging out and streaming today
Appreciate
for
you, sir.
everybody. So,
Yeah, we appreciate you for leading this one. Go check out that stuff. It's Black Friday. Here's some cool deals going around in different places. So you can check out the X's, check out the other places, and you will see that. Have a great weekend, team. We appreciate KC. We appreciate Frank, Paper Gains, Emp in the chat, everyone else talking through here. Let's shout out one more time the people who subscribed or joined. I can't see all the subscribers, but what I can see is if I get back here, I was digging through the KC channel. Let's give a quick shout out to Jeffrey Hardy for joining the Wolf Pack during the stream. Jeffrey Hardy.
Jeffrey. Let's go.
Jeffrey. We also got 5 gifted subs given.
My name is Jeff.
My name is Jeff. Remember, code Wolf if you guys are prop firm people. Go check out the X. Subscribe. I'm done rambling. Have a great one.
Sounds
Be
good.
back.
Have a great weekend, everybody. Be safe. See you Monday.